In today's video, I will guide you step-by-step process of how to get free TradingView premium account. The right approach is to buy TradingView through subscription, but there may be certain reasons like you are just staring trading and you have not enough budget to purchase, or you are just a student. Whatever reason is, don't worry, I will guide you step by step. First of all, open your browser and search for TradingView.com, and this page will appear. Then tap on Get a Month for $1 in the top right corner, and you will head to this page. As you can see, we can buy any plan in just $1. I will give you the link and will tell you how you can get as well. Just make sure to watch till the end. We can choose any plan. For now, I'm choosing premium, so I will click here on Upgrade. Here it will be automatically selected for month, so we'll just click on Next. Then again, press Next. And here it will ask for our payment details. Simply put your card details here, check this box and click on Complete Your Purchase. It will ask for verification, complete this step, and your TradingView account will be upgraded to premium. Now all the premium features will be available, and we can use anything we want as premium users. For the next month, you will do the same process with another Gmail to activate another account. I will put the link in the description. Just click on that link and you will get premium account as well. That's it, guys. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Also, let me know in the comments if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos. Thanks for watching.